savvy. It is holiday time, and now more than ever, we have spots, stains, scratches, and scuff marks that we want to get rid of. Here's the first of mine. Carpet is one of the hardest areas to get spots out of, but I have a product that I think you're going to love. It is LA's totally awesome concentrated cleaner, degreaser, and spot remover. The product says to dilute before use, so we're going to moisten the spot, spray on the cleaner, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm going to come back, I'm going to rub the spot, then I'm going to rinse 2 or 3 times, and then we're going to see what it looks like. Okay guys, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to give this spot a good scrub. That pushes the cleaner into all of the fibers in the carpet and gets it down deep. So then after a little bit of scrubbing, we're going to wipe out most of the soap. Then we're going to rinse a few times and we're going to see what it looks like. Guys, this cleaner did a fantastic job. You cannot even see where the spot was. Totally awesome. Here is trouble spot number 2. We have a black scuff mark on the shoe molding. I love this product. I get these at Kroger. It's extra strength erasing pads. I've also used the Mr. Clean Magic erasers. Love them both. Here's how it works. Remove one of the pads. Soak it in water for a few seconds and then wring out most of the water. And then you tackle your spot or your scuff mark. And this is real time, right before your very eyes. And there you have it. The black scuff mark has totally disappeared. I strongly encourage you to try this product. Again, you won't be disappointed. The third problem area we're going to tackle is the stainless steel sink. You can see the stains around this area, and then you can also see all the scratches. So the product that we're going to try is Hope's Perfect Sink. It cleans, shines, and protects. It's great on stainless steel, Corian, cast iron, and more. So what we're going to do is we are going to shake well. We're going to use a soft cloth or paper towel, apply polish, rub until clean. Then we're going to thoroughly rinse with warm water and dry. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it turns out. Here's what the paper towel looks like, front and back, after about a minute of scrubbing. So we're rinsing with warm water, and I'm going to make sure I rinse really, really well, so I'm going to go around it twice, and then we're going to dry it really well with a paper towel and take a look and see if we think it looks any better than it did before we started. And I will leave a link below to these products that are my favorites, and I sincerely hope you'll check them out. Okay, I think that about does it. Alright, now let's get the paper towel. So here in Kentucky we have really hard water, and it leaves all kinds of stains and residues, and particularly it leaves a red film behind. You all, I can tell a huge difference. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera or not. Of course, you're not going to get all your scratches out of your sink, but it certainly polishes what's there, and it is shining like I've never seen it shine. Okay. So what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to show you this right hand side of the sink, which is the disposal side, and we'll compare that with the left side, and we'll see what we think about each side. Okay, so here is the side that we just polished. Wow, that is really shining. I'm going to get you a closer look. That is beautiful. Now, let me remove the pads from the left side and we'll compare the two. I hope y'all can see the difference here. There is so much more shine on the right side because that's the side that we just polished with the Perfect Sink cleaner. And then this is the side that has not been done. So it's more of a dull look. And then this is the side that we just polished. Man, does it shine. Okay, I hope you'll give this product a try. It's called Hope's Perfect Sink. Did a great job cleaning and a great job shining. Okay guys, I am going to tackle cleaning the top of my oven now. As you can see, I actually just cleaned it with a cleaner that's actually a favorite among a lot of YouTubers. I happen to use the cleaner as well. I'm not going to mention the name. I do love it for the fragrance, and I do love the fact that it does clean the countertops really well, but it does not clean the oven top, as you can see, because this morning I cleaned the oven top with that cleaner. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after I have cleaned it with, once again, LA's Totally Awesome. This cleaner is great for so many different things. It cleans pet stains, walls, woodwork, window frames, floors, carpets, upholstery, ovens, chrome, porcelain, fiberglass, on and on and on. So let's give it a go and see what we think. Again, this product is supposed to be diluted when you use it, so I have a very damp rag. So let's see what happens. Cleaning right there for sure. Okay, there's no abrasive anything on this rag. It's just a soft rag. So you could use a scrubber, like a nylon scrubber, on your stove top. Just use whatever is safe to use on your stove. So I'm cleaning all along the top, cleaning around the knobs. I'm cleaning the knobs, everything, every surface area that I can get to on this stove. I am going to clean with the Totally Awesome. And then the instructions say to rinse. So we are getting a lot of dirt. I don't know if you can see that. We are getting a lot of dirt off of here, so that's good. A really good clean. I don't really want to use anything abrasive on it, and this spray cleaner is not abrasive at all. Okay, I'm going to rinse the rag out, and then we're going to wipe it clean and see if it looks any better than it did before we used the cleaner. So now we're rinsing. Make sure you rinse the entire surface area, and I would rinse 2 or 3 times. I actually decided to wipe the back tile behind the stove as well. So anything that the cleaner touched, you need to make sure that you rinse. Now we're going to dry. Can you guys see the difference? Oh my. There are no more greasy smudge stains like there were with the previous favorite cleaner that a lot of you out there use that you love, and I use it as well, like I said. but this, hands down, does a fantastic job. And y'all got to try this. LA's totally awesome. Got to give my mom and my sister credit for this. I had actually never purchased it until Mom said, you know, you might want to give this a try. Your sister uses it. She gave it to me, and they both fell in love with it, and I am in love with it as well. So give it a try. All of these products are fantastic. If I did not use them and know that they work, I certainly would not be telling you all about them, because that's just not the way I roll. So, okay, let's move on. Did you all notice how clean this is? I am just so ecstatic. It is so shiny. You all are seeing the glare from my light reflecting umbrellas there. Can't help that. That just shows you even more so what a great job this cleaner does. Guys, have you ever spilled anything on your carpet like red wine or grape juice? I have a great tip for you. Don't have either of those, but what I did is I got some red food coloring, mixed it with a little bit of water, and I want to show you something. So we're going to pour this on our rug. There you go. Okay, what we want to do is grab a paper towel as quickly as possible. Put that on the spill. You don't want to rub, but you want to just pat, push it down like that, okay? Fold over, repeat. And you want to get as much of that liquid up as you can with the paper towel. And if that paper towel gets pretty full, make sure you have 2 with you. So this is the first thing you want to do. Get as much of that up as you can with the paper towel. That is step number 1. Fold over, and you want to keep using that towel until you've used practically every bit of it to absorb the red stain. Then the next thing you want to do, and here's my great home product that I love, you're going to put some salt on that stain. Totally cover it, be generous with your salt, let it sit for a few minutes. We're going to come back, remove the salt, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do next. It's been several minutes, so our next step is to remove the salt. As you can see, it absorbs the red liquid like a charm. I'm going to get all of this off that we can. If you have young children or pets in the house, keep them out of the room if possible while the salt is doing its job. So the salt gets up about 95% of the stain. Now what we're going to do, we're going to dilute this area with a little bit of water. We don't want it soaking wet, but we do want a little bit of water in here because we are going to use our totally awesome product to finish the job. So we've diluted with the water. We're going to let that sit for just a few minutes. We're going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Here are 15 of our family's favorite cleaning products. Starting from the left, we have Hope's Perfect Sink. That's what I cleaned the stainless steel kitchen sinks with. And Meyer's Clean Multi-Purpose, Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Then I showed you today also the extra strength erasing pads. Those are great for getting rid of scuff marks and black marks on the wall, on your wood moldings even. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner Plus Bleach, Comet Classic Home Cleaner, Foaming Bathroom Cleaner with Bleach. Windex Wipes, love those. Spray Way Glass Cleaner. So that is fabulous for your car windows. That's even better than Windex. And for any glass in your house, it's ammonia free. You spray it on, you wipe it clean. It's for windows, mirrors, and windshields. Next to that, we have the HomeSense disinfecting wipes. Below that, we have the Swiffer Sweeper Dry. Love those. Those are sweeper cloths. They really get the floor clean too. Not only do they pick up the dust and dirt, but they clean your floor. And next to that, I showed you all today the LA's Totally Awesome, Fabulous Concentrated Cleaner Degreaser Spot Remover. We cleaned a spot off the stairwell carpet with that. Also cleaned my kitchen stove top. It is still shining, you guys. Love this stuff. Thanks to my sister, thanks to my mom. Mom gave me a bottle. Love the stuff. They use it. Word of mouth is an awesome thing. Next to that, we have Shout Triple Acting Concentrate. Any stains that I have on any of our clothing, I use Shout. And I'm telling you, there's not anything that has not gotten out before. Next to that, the Fresh Cotton. You saw that in one of my videos previously. It's called Smells Be Gone. Got that from, let's see, where did I get that from? Bed Bath & Beyond. Love that. If you just want a hint of freshness, if you're freshening up your bed linens, you have guests arriving, just spray that on the bed linens. It's awesome. You can spray it on your curtains in your bedroom. Fabulous stuff. I have many allergies and many chemical allergies. You wouldn't know it using all these cleaners. But when it comes to washing our clothes, I have to use the All Free and Clear. A few years back, had many rashes and really couldn't really find out what caused it, but had some allergy testing done, and there were so many chemicals I was allergic to. Was in the healthcare field for a lot of years, used all those strong disinfecting chemicals, and I think that's one reason why I had developed such an allergy. So great product. Get your clothes clean. There are no fragrances in it, so there's a lot of chemicals I'm allergic to in fragrances. So all with stain lifters, free and clear, great stuff. And the Kroger HomeSense dryer sheets, the fabric softener sheets, really like those. Those don't seem to bother me. And then I use bleach, not all the time, but if I really want to get things clean, disinfected, and just smelling fresh and odor free, I will use the bleach. Now let's get back to the wine grape juice stain on the rug. So we've let the Totally Awesome sit for a few minutes. Now we're going to come back with a dampened scrubber pad, a dampened Brillo pad. Okay, so we diluted the spots. Now we're going to roll them in. You want to make sure that you rinse at least 2 or 3 times. Get that rug pretty damp but not soaking wet. All right, one more time and we're done, and I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, look at this. You cannot even tell where any red colored liquid was spilled on this rug. It is as clean as can be. Guys, comment below and let me know what your favorite product was that you saw in today's video, and let me know what your favorite product is. This is a home and lifestyle channel where we talk about all things pertaining to the home. Subscribing to my channel costs you absolutely nothing. Just click on the subscribe button. I'll let you know each week when I post new videos on Wednesday. Guys, when you watch my videos through all the way to the end, it helps my channel tremendously. When you like it and give it a thumbs up, that helps. When you subscribe, that helps. When you share my videos with your family and friends, that helps. I couldn't do it without you. I have a goal in the next 6 months to reach 1,000 subscribers, and there's no way I could do it without your help. Thanks so much. I so appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Leave a comment. Let me know what videos you would like to see. I have a lot in store for you, but I would really like to give you what you're looking for. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.